What's the meaning of anthropocentric? Anthropocentric. 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 Anthropocentric.
Anthropocentric refers to the belief or perspective that places human beings at the center of existence, often at the expense of other living beings and the environment. This worldview is characterized by a focus on human needs and desires, and can result in behaviors and policies that prioritize human interests over those of other species and ecosystems. Anthropocentric thinking has been criticized for its narrow focus and potential negative impacts on the natural world, and alternative perspectives such as ecocentrism and biocentrism have emerged to promote more holistic and equitable relationships between humans and nature.